Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be looking at options for repairs on your sagging floor, and one of the easy answers that you come up with is, can I just install one jack to support my floors? That's the subject that we're going to tackle in this video. So when you're talking about sagging floors, and the easy fix is let me go grab a jack from Menards, let me throw that under there, push that on what I believe is the worst section, and that should work. And it very well may in the short term. What we typically see is that when your floors have sagged, the problems actually drag the areas around it down with it. And so, for example, if your wall lands on one floor joist and that wall's begun to sag over the years, if you go put one jack in that area, typically what you're going to find is maybe 2 to 3 or 4 joists on either side of that joist have been dragged down by that wall sagging. And so it could help that one section in the short term, but over time you're going to notice that the other areas are also down. And so what we typically like to do in these situations is really put some I-beam to span multiple joists. The other big reason that we do this is one jack, one pressure point on a single floor joist to take the load of that usually results in a twisted floor joist or a broken floor joist. And so you really want to focus on spreading that weight out against multiple floor joists and getting even push up amongst all of them to really not cause more damage, more harm to that subfloor that you see under there. So the short answer is usually no, one jack is not the best thing for sagging floors. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped answer the question if one support jack can help your sagging floors. To learn more, click the link in the description and be sure to like and subscribe.